Hey there, friends! It's me, Bobby. Today, I want to talk to you about something super important: first impressions. Have you ever met someone for the very first time and thought, wow, they're cool? Or maybe you weren't so sure about them. That's what a first impression is. It's how people feel about us when they meet us for the very first time. First impressions are kind of like the cover of a book. You know how when you see a cool book cover, you really want to open it up and see what's inside? Well, when you meet someone, the way you act and present yourself is like the cover they see. And guess what? You want to make sure your cover is as awesome as possible. But why are first impressions so important? Well, when we meet new friends, teachers, or even neighbors, that first moment can shape how they feel about us for a long time. Of course, people can change their minds later, but it's always great to start things off on the right foot. Okay, so how do we make the best first impression? I've got a few tips for you. Tip number 1, smile. Smiling shows that you're friendly and open. Plus, it makes people feel comfortable around you. When you smile, it's like saying, "Hey, I'm happy to meet you," without even using words. Tip number 2, be polite. Saying please, thank you, and introducing yourself nicely goes a long way. Good manners show people that you respect them and want to be kind. Tip number 3, be yourself. This is the most important one. When you're yourself, people will like you for who you are. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Whether you're shy, funny, or thoughtful, just be you. Everyone is special in their own way, so let the real you shine through. And remember, friends, first impressions don't have to be perfect. It's normal to feel nervous, but with a big smile, polite words, and by being yourself, you'll make a first impression that will make others excited to get to know you better. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now, go out there and make some awesome first impressions. You've got this!